Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you my secret face wash. This is very effective face wash powder. So let's see how to make and use. Take a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of multani mitti powder. After that add 2 teaspoon of water and mix well. Mixture should be like this. Now apply all over your face and neck. Multani mitti benefits our skin by acting as a natural cleanser, acne fighter, sebum controller. This is the reason it is an essential part of skincare routine along with essential skincare products like face wash and hydrating moisturizer. Multani mitti, also known as cosmetic clay, is good at absorbing skin's excess oil and removing all the toxic impurities therein. It also cools down and soothes the skin. Gram flour and multani mitti further improve the skin's blood circulation. Gram flour works as a great ingredient to remove excess sebum from the skin along with unclogging pores. These both natural ingredients are the best for our skin. As a face wash, this is the best. You can use this as your face wash. After apply this, gently massage and wash it off in normal water. You can see all the dirt and excess oil are gone. Now my face looks clean, cool and soft. It's also glowing. So hope you like this video. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye bye.